A light magnitude 2.7 earthquake hit 27 kilometers, 17 miles, away from Bojnurd, North Khorasan province, Iran, around noon of Wednesday, June 18, 2025 at 1:47 p.m. local time, GMT plus 3:30. The quake had a very shallow depth of 8 kilometers, 5 miles, and was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, IRSC after 18 minutes. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.